Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're on the lookout for a tool that effortlessly gives you those perfect curls with minimal fuss, keep watching. Today, we're taking a close look at the Chai Spin Curl Special Edition in Mint Green, a compact, stylish tool designed specifically for shoulder-length hair. This beauty aims to deliver smooth, frizz-free curls without all the guesswork. Let's see if it lives up to its claims. The Chai Spin & Curl features a 1-inch ceramic rotating barrel that's ideal for hair lengths between 6 to 16 inches. One of the most exciting aspects of this device is its ease of use. With preset temperatures, you can select the ideal heat setting for your hair type. Low at 370 degrees for fine hair, medium at 390 degrees for medium hair, and high at 410 for coarse hair. The temperature adjusts quickly, with a heat-up time of just 15 seconds for fine hair, 17 seconds for medium hair, and 19 seconds for coarse hair. The ceramic barrel reduces frizz and static, giving you shiny, well-defined curls with less effort. Now for real-world testing. I've been using this tool for the last couple of weeks, and I'll tell you, first impressions matter. The Chai Spin Curl is extremely easy to incorporate into my routine. I love how user-friendly it is. Just set the heat, grab a section of your hair, and the tool automatically spins it into the barrel. It's almost like the device does the work for you, which is perfect for those of us who struggle with manual curling irons. When it comes to performance, I found that the Chai Spin Curl did an excellent job with creating smooth, shiny curls. It also managed to keep my hair frizz-free and soft, which is important for me, as my hair tends to get staticky in drier weather. I've used it on different heat settings to test how it works on varying hair types, and I can confirm it delivers consistent results no matter the temperature setting. However, for people with really thick, coarse hair, you might need to hold the hair in the barrel for a little longer than the recommended time, but overall, it's efficient and effective. As for the INFRA Silk Infusion, the leave-in treatment that comes alongside the spin curl, it works beautifully. Infused with silk, wheat, and soy proteins, it adds incredible softness, manageability, and shine to the hair without any greasy buildup. A little goes a long way. I use it on towel-dried hair before styling, and it definitely helps with detangling and making my curls last longer. Now let's dive into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Chai Spin Curl is quick to heat up, easy to use, and creates long-lasting curls with minimal frizz. The automatic shutoff after an hour is also a safety feature that I appreciate. The design is compact and chic, and I love the mint green color. It's a nice touch that sets it apart from your typical hair tools. As for the INFRA Silk Infusion, it delivers on its promise of soft, shiny hair and doesn't leave any residue behind. On the downside, while it works well for shoulder-length hair, the tool might not be as efficient for much shorter or much longer hair. The spinning mechanism is fantastic for those of us who struggle with manual curling, but it might not offer as much flexibility if you like to have more control over the direction and shape of your curls. Also, although the heat settings are pre-programmed, it could be beneficial to have a bit more customization in temperature settings for different hair textures. As for the value for money, both the Chai Spin & Curl and the INFRA Silk Infusion are priced in the higher range. But for the results, ease of use, and the inclusion of the silk-infused leave-in treatment, I'd say it's worth the investment if you're serious about getting perfect curls. The quality is solid, and the results speak for themselves. In comparison to other hair tools, the Chai Spin & Curl holds its ground well. Similar tools may offer basic curling functionality, but the added convenience of automatic spinning and preset temperature settings sets this one apart. If you're looking for something with a little more control and customization, other devices might suit your needs better. But if ease and consistency are what you're after, this one hits the mark. The build quality of the Chai Spin & Curl is sturdy. The ceramic barrel feels durable, and I haven't noticed any wear or tear after using it multiple times. As for the longevity of the product, I expect it to last for a long time with proper care, especially with the automatic shutoff feature, which adds an extra layer of safety. In terms of customer support, Chai has a good reputation for handling inquiries. I've had no personal need to contact them, but based on my research, their customer service is known for being responsive and helpful. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative, there are other curling tools in a similar price range. However, in my opinion, if you're after the spinning feature and the smooth curls with minimal frizz, the Chai Spin and Curl is a solid choice. If you don't mind a little extra time spent curling manually, a non-automatic option could save you some money. To sum it up, the Chai Spin and Curl Special Edition in mint green delivers where it counts: ease of use, consistent results, and frizz-free, soft curls. It's especially great for shoulder-length hair, and I highly recommend it for anyone who wants a quick and easy way to achieve salon-quality curls at home. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.